guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. Welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Ciara. Boom. And I do dance tutorial and dance challenges, guys, for you to see. If you can check out my channel, you see a lot of dance tutorial. So today I'm doing this video in the portrait format, guys, not in the landscape, guys, in the portrait format. So you guys just get me, guys. So let's go now. This challenge is a song by, I think it's Body Party by Ciara. Yeah, Body Party by Ciara. Now let's dive right. In case I'm new here, kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share to your friends, guys. And I'll see you guys in my screen. Now the first step in the challenge is, let's do A, like you A. So it's you hit. Tie your left, right leg back. Hit. Let's go 5, 6, 7, 8. Your right hand hit. Your right leg going back, right hand going front. So it's A. Let's go 5, 6, 7, 8. A. 5, 6, 7, 8. A. Let's go 5, 6, 7, 8. A. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. A. Now after that, the next thing to do, the next step is you wave. So it's A. Katima star. You wave. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. A. Katima star. So you wave, guys. A. Katima star. Let's go, guys. Everybody together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. A. Katima star. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. A. Katima star. Now, what that? The next step to do. 1, 2, open. 5, 6 from start. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. A. Katima star. So for that step, guys, the step is 1, 2, open. That's the next step. So let's go 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. A, Katima star. Sing, guys. Let's go together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. A, Katima star. So far this 1, 2, 3. Let's do this. Take your hands up. Take your hands up. Take your hands down. Take your hands down. And you drag. Let's go, guys. So we start. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. A, Katima star. Let's sing, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. A, Katima star. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. A, Katima star. I'm doing that style again, guys. Sorry about that. So let's do that one more time. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. A, Katima star. Let's go. Let's go from the beginning once more. 5, 6, 7, go. A, Katima star. A, Katima star. So that's the guys. That's the dance channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, and subscribe down below. Like this video, share it with your friends, guys. Let's do dance one more time in slow mo. I like slow mo sometimes. Let's do in slow mo for you guys to get it. So it's 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. A, Katima star. Mana ikita loving. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's use a fast pace, guys. Let's go 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. A, got the master. So that's it, guys. Please also subscribe to the channel. Kindly subscribe down below, like this video, share it to your friends, and in case you do this tutorial for my channel, kindly tag #Taylor'sBoom in your video, #Taylor'sBoom in your video, so for me to be able to see your video and also tag you and comment your video and repost you. Also give you a shout out. In case you stay up to this end of the video, kindly comment your name down below and I'll give you a shout out on my page. And don't forget to watch the videos over here. I'll see you guys in my next video.